Another day, another content na naman tayo. Kasama si DJ Elmo. Dito lang sa Banks Prime Skin Aesthetic. Dito sa my West Ayala Condominium. Ayan, it's their opening. And of course, kasama din ang Banks Prime Salon by Tony and Jackie. And we were invited to experience their facial services. And here are the rooms for their clients. Ayan. And every day may doctor na nakamonitor for the facial and other doctor's procedure. And they also have skincare products. Kaya naman bumisita na kayo dito sa West Ayala Condominium. And here are some beauty tips from Dr. Joy.
It's an antioxidant. It's a normal antioxidant occurring sa body natin. So what it does, it detoxifies our body. It makes our atay, liver, healthy. So it makes our internal organ healthy. So if you have healthy body internally, it will translate into a healthier skin. Kaya radiant yung skin. So there's nothing to be afraid of, no? Especially in here, I'm an anesthesiologist.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, Dr. Joy. Kaya naman, eto na. Sinisimula na ang ating Hydra Facial. This Hydra Facial is exfoliation, cleansing, and hydration. Kaya naman maganda sa inyong skin at nakakagaan ng feeling. Masarap sa pakiramdam and you look fresh and confident every day. By the way, hindi lang sila skincare ha, meron din silang Banks Prime Salon by Tony and Jackie. While taking care of your skin, ay papagwapuhin at papagandahin ka din nila. Dito lang sa Banks Prime Salon by Tony and Jackie.
This is the Banks Prime Skin Aesthetic. This is the first ever branch of the aesthetic clinic of Banks. So now welcome. We're excited to provide aesthetic services for all of you. No? So hindi lang aesthetic ang provide namin. No? We wanted to provide beauty from within as well. Combine yan, wellness and health po. And then we will be providing mga health tips din po, myths and facts. Soon with DJ Elmo. Abangan. Bye!
Kaya naman maraming salamat Banks Prime Aesthetic Skin for inviting me and of course sa mga doctors natin. At maraming salamat din kay Ma'am Army. Thank you so much!